Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to watch live football games on HD. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to watch football games on your phone. So, as you can see, I'm already in my browser. It's Opera GX. You can use Safari, Google, any other browser. But in my case, I'm using Opera GX. So, let's start by searching Sky Sports. And once we search that, just tap on the top link. And so you're gonna appear on this screen right here. Just tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on sports, and then football. So just scroll down and you're gonna see all the different teams, and pretty much just tap on the team that you want to see. I'm just gonna tap on a random one and then tap on get a Sky Sports pass. So it's gonna take you to this link right here, www.nowtv.com. So tap on choose your membership, and then you can choose from these two, either 21 euros a month or 10 euros a month. And basically, if you tap on this, you get a 1 month free boost, which means that you won't have to pay for a month. And yeah, it's a pretty good deal. If you choose this offer, you're gonna have a free month and all these other perks. And that's pretty much it. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.